Good evening, investors. This is StockMasterTalk here with ECUI. That's the ECUI Incorporated. Last trading day was Monday, February 25th. We saw a previous close of 0.0016 and we closed up on February 25th at 0.0021. That was an increase of 31.25% on a really nice volume of 28,224,792 shares. Really looking forward to tomorrow when the market opens on Tuesday. Fully expecting another high volume day, and hopefully let's see some really good green. Lots of really bullish indicators and some very nice upward forming patterns here that I'm very excited to tell you about. Let's start with our 14-day RSI. We are definitely in that bullish region. We're at 83.96, and we just bounced off of that 70 maybe a day or two ago, giving us that renewed strength up here in that bullish region. Moving on down here to the daily charts, we do have this very strong uptrend here that's been riding this upper Bollinger Band for a while. We have our support down here at our 26-day EMAs. That's about 0.0008 being our support, I should say, down here. And we bounced off that a couple times. It recently moved up here to this blue line. That would be our 12-day EMA at 0.0012, acting as support right now. Our current price is way up here at 0.0021, are very nice and very strong off of this volume that's really started picking up heavily in the recent past. Our Parabolic Sar is underneath our candlesticks. That's a bullish indicator. We have all these crossovers of our moving day averages back here at the very beginning of 2013, which was another really strong bullish indicator that hopefully everyone caught on to right before it jumped up this big. But I think we could see several more candles just like this one where we keep riding this Parabolic Sar. And I'm making that determination off of the rest of our indicators down here. Our MACD, for example, is doing incredibly well, extremely bullish. Crossed over very beginning of 2013 as well. Would have been another really strong, very obvious buy indicator if you caught this nice and early at the beginning of the year. We rode on top of our signal line for quite some time, bounced off of it once or twice here, and we were just really shooting for the sky. We've got a lot of distance between us and that signal line, and the distance between the top of our MACD line and at zero is a significant amount. Nothing to worry about there. Very exciting. Both our tricks, I keep a 15 and a 30-day tricks up here for you guys. Both of them are nice and strong, very positive above their signal lines. Once again, crossed over at the beginning of 2013. If you could have caught this 15-day tricks right before the new year, it would have been really nice. Could have cut at some really low prices. Stochastic Rsi, very bullish as well, just crossed over its signal line. It's been doing a crisscross pattern up here above the 80, very bullish indeed. Down here at the CCI, also bullish as well, crossed way over that 200 and staying up there pretty consistently for several months now, or a couple months. Stochastic Rsi 14-day is also bullish. What I really like about this one is that we have a 14-day moving average in yellow here that recently touched the center line at 0.5, I should say, and just bounced off of that. Now, since the Stochastic Rsi is such a violent indicator, you usually want to balance it out a little bit with a moving average, and for this example I use the 14-day moving average, and that happened to work very nicely. We just bounced off of that 0.5, and that's a good strong buy indicator there as well. Chaikin money flow is positive. We're above the zero here. That's telling us that all of our trades have been pretty nice and consistent in the past. That's in line with our volume up there that we saw. The ADX 14-day here is just a measurement of our trends. As you can see, we are in an uptrend. The positive DI is above the negative DI, and the ADX line itself in blue is nice and strong. It's at 43.91, letting us know that this uptrend is very strong and backed by a lot of other factors. PVO and money flow index, all both very bullish here. As you can see, as far as the PVO, our signal line is below the PVO line itself. We're above the 60, and money flow index is capped out, or just about capped up at 97.61. Very bullish indeed. And lastly, to close up my chart here, our accumulation and distribution as well as on-balance volume have just skyrocketed. Everyone is grabbing onto these shares and holding on to them with the anticipation of seeing these prices go even higher. Very excited about this one. We should see some nice movement on Tuesday when the market opens, and I'm really excited to see what it does. If you guys want to talk to me about this, please leave your comments down below in the comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel here, and you can find me on Facebook too. I'm at StockMasterTalk. It was a pleasure talking to you, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Everybody have a good night.